In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly Form Builder Review. We're starting on the official Formly website, where you can immediately see that this platform is designed to help users create modern, interactive forms without needing advanced technical skills. In this review, I'll walk through the main features, the overall ease of use, pricing, pros and cons, and whether Formly is actually worth trying. And if you want to test it yourself while following along, you can use the affiliate link in the description. From the homepage, I'm going to click the sign up button to see how easy it is to get started. The process is straightforward, and one nice point here is that Formly currently promotes a free option with no credit card required, which lowers the barrier for anyone who just wants to explore the platform first. Once logged in, we arrive at the main dashboard. This is where you can create new forms, open existing ones, review responses, and manage settings. I'm not going to spend too long on every menu, but the layout looks clean and beginner-friendly, which is important if you want to build forms quickly. Now let's test the form builder itself. I'm creating a simple sample form and adding a few different question types to see how flexible it is. Formly supports a wide range of question types, along with multiple form layouts, and it also gives you customization options so you can adjust the look and feel to better match your brand. That makes it useful not only for basic surveys, but also for lead forms, quizzes, and customer-facing workflows. Next, I'm opening the AI-powered form creation feature. I'll enter a simple description of the kind of form I want, let Formly generate it, and then review the output. This can be a real time saver compared with building everything manually, especially if you need a solid first draft that you can refine afterward. After that, I'm testing logic and personalization. Here, one answer can control which question appears next, which is great for lead qualification, surveys, quizzes, and more tailored customer forms. Formly also supports branching, variables, scoring, and calculations, which adds a lot of flexibility. I'm also checking the integration section, where you can connect tools like Google Sheets and other apps to reduce manual data entry and automate workflows. If you need payments, Formly supports Stripe integration and can adjust payment options based on form responses, although you should always confirm which plan includes the features you need. In the analytics area, responses are displayed clearly, along with charts and insights that can help you understand trends. Notifications are also available, so you can receive alerts and response-related emails when someone submits a form. Looking at pricing, Formly currently offers a free plan plus silver at $19 per month and gold at $29 per month, with annual billing options available. On the plus side, it's beginner-friendly, offers AI assistance, professional-looking forms, logic, analytics, integrations, Stripe support, and a free option. On the downside, some advanced features may require a paid plan. Customization should be tested if design matters a lot, and businesses with complex workflows should verify integrations carefully. Compared with alternatives like Google Forms and Typeform, Formly appears to sit in a nice middle ground. Google Forms is simple and familiar, Typeform is known for design and user experience, and Formly stands out with a combination of polished design, AI tools, logic, integrations, analytics, and competitive pricing. So overall, Formly looks worth using for people who want professional forms, surveys, quizzes, lead generation forms, and automation without needing deep technical knowledge. If you need very specific workflows or advanced design control, it may be worth comparing alternatives first. And if you'd like to try Formly yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description.